friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is chicken strips with cheese toast in two different ways. So let's get started. For this we'll need boneless chicken about 500 grams and we are going to cut it in this way. You can cut it in any size. Then to this we are going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, then 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Then add salt according to your taste. We are going to mix this really well and we'll keep this to marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now for the batter, we'll crack 1 egg. To that we'll add 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk. Then we'll add a pinch of salt. We are going to mix this really well. Well, our egg batter is now ready. Next we are going to we will add 4 tablespoons of flour. Then to that we'll add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, then 2 pinch of baking soda powder. We are going to mix it really well. Well, you can see our marinated chicken is now ready. Now we are going to coat this. First we'll put it in the flour batter. Then we'll dip it on the egg batter. Make sure it's dipped really well. We are doing here is double coating. We'll dip it again in the flour, really nice. Our chicken strips are now ready to be fried. There is one more thing that we can keep it also in the chiller for about 10 minutes just to give a set. Meanwhile, let's do a preparation for a cream cheese toast. We are taking cream cheese cubes over here, about 4 numbers. Now we'll smash this with a fork nicely. Once it's smashed, we are going to add Italian seasonings or pizza seasonings, about 1 teaspoon. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and we are going to mix this really well. Then to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of warm milk and we are going to mix it. There, our cream cheese is ready. Now we'll take a bun or bread and we are going to spread some softened butter. Spread it nicely. Then we are going to add our cheese, that is a cream cheese spreading. Once it's done, we are going to add some mozzarella cheese on top. Then we'll add coriander leaves or oregano. Now our chicken strips are ready to be fried. Add oil to fry. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add our chicken. Meanwhile it's getting fried, we'll do our bread, our cheese toast. So one we'll keep it for a pan, the other 2 we'll keep it in the air fryer. We'll keep this to air fry about 110 degrees for 10 minutes. The other one we are going to keep it in the pan. We'll keep it till the cheese melts. Now we'll flip our chicken. One side is cooked. Now let's cook the other side of it. While the other side of chicken is getting cooked, let's see our air fried buns. Well, it's now ready. It's so beautiful. Now we are going to take 2 chicken pieces and we are going to air fry this similarly 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Well, our other bun is also ready. It looks tasty. Well, our air fried chicken is also now ready. So this is one type. Now it's ready. Now let's see for the other chicken. Well, it's cooked. We are going to take it out. You can see it's crispy golden brown. Our chicken strips and cheese toast is now ready to be attacked. It's so delicious, so good. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.